Hello, everybody. Well, myself Ankit, and I'm extremely glad to be here to be the part of this group discussion today. And I hope so. You all are ready for this session. Are you guys ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we are going to do discussion about money versus knowledge, and I'm going to support money. And why I'm gonna support money? Because there are some specific and certain reason behind that. So my first perspective is that nowadays people say that money is everything, and I also personally believe that money is everything. Why it is so? Because if you want to attain something in your life, you need money. Like for your education you need money, for any kind of emergency work and transportation, for going here to there you need money. And not only for those activities, even if you want to live with your family members, give them good happiness, adorable moment, and kind of good things to them which they have given to you in your childhood. So for that, money is a really essential part of our life. Coming to my second perspective, because of money we just know and we just teach ourselves how to survive well and how we can make ourselves so satisfied. And you know guys, it is a really best part of our life. And not only with these activities, let me tell you one more thing, that is respect doesn't come by the money itself. First of all, we need to just earn money. We need to create our best influence among society. Afterwards people will start respecting us and everything will be okay. So for that, I would like to tell one more famous idiom, that is money talks and money begets money. That's all from my perspective. Thank you very much.
Yeah, one second, sir.
Yes.
Firstly, you spoke very amazingly, but I have one question from you. That whenever we start any business or a job, so don't you think we need first knowledge? So knowledge is our first priority. What do you think?
Okay, sir, I agree with your question. Knowledge is important. But dear, let me tell you practically, if you want to start up any business, or you want to go with any business, you want to become an entrepreneur. So first of all, you need a money for doing demonstration, for sharing the things to the people, that people will come to know about your business. Afterwards, slowly, you will improve your experience. You will get a good things in your business. So that is my answer. Thank you.
Is it?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so I think so I should start.
Yes, please, you can
My
go
perspective.
ahead. Yeah.
Okay, so I do favor that knowledge is much better than money. Why is it so? Because whatever job, whatever business we start, definitely we will get output or a product as a money. Okay, but what is the base of money? I mean to say, if the person doesn't have the knowledge about his business or his field, then how he can earn money from his field? Ultimately, the money is the end, but knowledge is the beginning. This is only one thing which is not important. There can be more thing which is more important than money. That is the knowledge. I have many examples. Okay, many scientists have done the discoveries, researches on the basis of their knowledge, not on the basis of their money. So knowledge is much important, more important than money. That's it.
Okay, but sir, just keep, just let me ask one question to you. Sure. You spoke so effectively and I'm happy with your perspective. But the thing is that you have a knowledge, that's perfectly fine. But if you want to buy a car, if you want to buy a house, if you want to give a happiness to your family member, to your, in your personal life, whether it would be. So over there, will you need a money or knowledge?
Okay, yes. It was really amazing question you asked, but money is just a small piece of paper from which we can buy anything or anywhere. Okay. But from the knowledge we can rule whole the world. That is the power of the knowledge.
Okay, is it?
Okay, yeah, is it?
Okay.
Okay, so with this chain of this our GD, I would like to call Neha ma'am. You should continue this chain.
Okay. So yes, warm greeting to all of my dear friends, and I'm very delighted to discuss with you one of new topic. So our topic is we know very well that money versus knowledge. So I'm in the favor of money. That money is more important than knowledge. Why? Because so far money is everything for us, because due to the help of money we can able to fulfill our basic need, like that attires, accommodation and food. And money means less financial worries. Definitely if we have a certain amount of money, we can able to sort out any sort of issues within a second, within a minute. And it's being able to give your best to your children, like that education, to health, and to start their life as well. And many people, they get married because of money rather than love. And money means, you know what, more freedom in a million ways. And eventually I want to say that multiple peoples, they are working and learning because they want to get money. So unfortunately and fortunately, that money is more important than knowledge. So I want to wind up my point of view here.
Ma'am, you have given very amazing points, but I would like to ask you one question, that without knowledge, you will definitely end up losing your money. So what do you believe?
Okay. Yes, Samiksha ma'am, you asked really very good question. So I want to tell you that you know what, nowhere it has clarified that without knowledge we will lose money, and everyone knows that how to keep money with them. So it's my answer.
That's great.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So over to Samiksha ma'am, you can put your point of view regarding to this topic.
Thank you, ma'am, for the opportunity.
Yeah.
According to me, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Knowledge is more powerful than money for any investor. You have to think twice before investing your money, as there is a limit to invest the money until and unless you are not a billionaire. You have to keep a right mindset for investing your money. So, put it in simple words, I would like to say you that until and unless your mind won't grow, your money doesn't. So, you have to keep knowledge in yourself that where you need to spend your money effectively. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Samiksha ma'am, you spoke amazingly, and I want to ask you that you know that with the help of money we can buy anything, whatever we want. So what we can buy from it? Can you explain it?
Of course, ma'am. There are lots of things that we can buy from knowledge. That first of all, you are never afraid of losing your knowledge once you have it, as nobody can steal what you have. The another thing is that if you have wealth, you can share it with anyone, but it will decrease with time. But you have knowledge, then with time, of course, if you will share with anyone else, it will increase and it will get double. Thank you.
Okay, so guys, we all have spoken so tremendously, and now the session has come to the conclusion, and I'm going to put some of my words for the conclusion itself and how we can justify it so perfectly. Okay, so first of all, the thing is, money and knowledge both have their individual perspective in the human life. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you about money itself. Money is a thing which can survive, which can teach us how to survive our life. It will really help us to fulfill our dreams, our desires, and each and everything's kind of livelihoods, education, and each and every step of our life. Money will definitely help you to grow in your life. And when it's come to knowledge, it is one of the grassroots level of getting betterment and acquiring proficiency in any specific field. Knowledge is a thing which will allow you to spread your manners. Knowledge is a thing which will allow you to earn a lot of things as compared to the ordinary people. Okay, so with the help of knowledge, you can handle many people, you can be a leader, and you can give your best influence like a leader. That's all from the conclusion side, and I hope so you all have done very amazingly. Thank you very much guys for your attention. Have a great.
Thank you so much.